Good morning, everyone, and thank you so much for coming out today as we gather here at Lew Wallace High School for the launch of a very important project. It is now my pleasure, honor, and privilege to introduce to you the manager of the Gary Community School Corporation, Dr. Paige McNulty.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're warm today. I wanted to say good morning, and I'm excited that you're all here, and welcome you to the launch of the Lew Wallace High School. We all have memories of our high school days, so I recognize that this is a bittersweet moment for our alumni, former staff and administration, and anyone who has fond memories of Lew Wallace. Today represents a big step in conveying to Glen Park, Morningside community, that we have heard their calls for action. The criminal activity that has taken place over the years, coupled with the eyesore that the structure has become, makes demolition a logical, necessary step. Even in the throes of the pandemic, however, we have worked in concert with the City of Gary, the local contractors, and the community stakeholders to ensure that this demolition would move forward in a timely and efficient manner. I can't thank you enough for your patience as our team looks forward to creating a clean and attractive space to make this a prime property and ripe for development. So now it is my honor to welcome to the podium one of Lew Wallace's alumni, the Honorable Jerome Prince, Mayor of the City of Gary.
Good morning to everybody for being out here. Thank you. It's a little brisk morning. There's a lot of emotion going on, and certainly a lot of sentiment to the kickoff of the demolition of our beloved Lew Wallace High School. For me personally, there's a couple different emotions I feel. So there's the personal side. I didn't attend Lew Wallace all 4 years, but graduated in 1982. But this is where I met my wife, Deanna, who graduated the very next year. We met in the fall of '81, and within a couple of years we were married. And anybody who's been married for 38 years knows that that's a hint, and certainly to anybody who aspires to be married that long, take every opportunity you can to let the one that you love know how special they are to you. I met Deanna in the hallways of Lew Wallace. We had our first kiss, and certainly we went on to raise 4 adult sons who all graduated from Lew Wallace High School and now have 11 grandchildren. But listen, this isn't about me. As I talked to many of you this morning, there's several people who have a number of emotions and memories attached to the school. But as Paige said, this marks the beginning of progress and potential for the future also. And so whatever emotions or sentiments or special convictions you have for Lew Wallace, know that those memories can never be erased, and we're going to ensure that whatever development takes place in the future, there's always a special commemoration made to Lew Wallace High School. To all the alumni and alumni who are here this morning, I thank you for taking times out of your schedules and coming out. And on 3, join me in just saying, hail to Lew Wallace. 1, 2, 3. Hail to Lew Wallace. Thank you very much.
Mr. Mayor,
Yes.
are they going to erect a monument here on the property at any given time afterwards?
So there's been discussions about it. Dr. McNulty could probably speak to that a little bit more, but as she said, we'll certainly continue to collaborate on the city side and ensure that there's always a permanent commemoration to Lew Wallace and all of the persons who have ever taught here, went to school here, or been associated with it. But I'll let Dr. McNulty speak more specifically to that.
Yeah, so we are certainly open to suggestions such as that. We are definitely saving several pallets of bricks that we will have at our maintenance facility here in the next couple of weeks, and we will be giving out 2 bricks per person if they would like to come get some. And we will also be taking the monument that I know that there's somewhere on the, I think, the east side of the building, and preserving that as well. So yes, we're looking to make sure that we honor the legacy here.
There's also another monument on the west side.
On the west side, okay.
On the lower wall.
Okay,
Concrete wall.
okay, thank you. So at this time, thank you, Mayor Prince. I appreciate your team's support. And I'd like to welcome 6th District Councilman Dwight Williams to share a few words with us. Please welcome.
Good morning. I'm really glad you came out. I'm really sad at the same time, understanding that the school, this is the first of high schools to be brought down in the city of Gary. It has a lot of memory, and I know a lot of friends that are now adults that have raised children that have come from the school. So join me and just say farewell to your school and look for some opportunity. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Councilman Williams. Councilman Williams has been instrumental in keeping his constituents informed of the progress of this project, and we appreciate that, so thank you very much. So now at this time, I'd like to introduce Mr. Director Barry O'Quinn. He's the director of our facilities department here at Gary Community Schools. He's kind of the nuts and bolts of this process. He's going to continue to be the point person for this, and he's going to talk about what's happening in the day-to-day project. So please welcome Mr. O'Quinn.
Thanks, Paige. My name is Barry O'Quinn. I'm the Director of Maintenance. Let you know, I'm going to tear Wallace down. I'm an alumni. 48 years ago, I walked these halls. So this demolition is from 45th to 47th. It's everything. It's the structure, the football field, the track, the lights, everything will be gone. We'll put it back to a grassy area. We're looking at it to take about approximately 150 working days. I'm fully aware of the bricks, and just so you know, the bricks probably won't be till December or January, because I want to make sure that the bricks you get are from the original building, not an addition. So what we'll do is we'll have them save 1 or 2 pallets of bricks. They'll be taken to 3840 Georgia Street, the facilities building, and whoever wants them, we'll put a communications out and come by and pick them up. And I think for me that was about it.
The contract.
Any questions? Pardon?
Contract. Representative, the contract. They're not here?
So yes, for me, that's all I've got.
How many bricks will we save?
2 pallets.
How many are on a pallet? Another portion.
Should we take the questions? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, you said 1 brick per person. 2 bricks. How do you get a lot of bricks? Because we have a reunion, plus 67. People from all over the country will be coming in. They would like bricks also.
Well, we're gonna have a certain amount of bricks, and once those bricks are gone, that'll be it.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. How many bricks? So you're going to get.
We'll have several hundred bricks.
Okay.
Yes, we'll have several hundred bricks. So first come, first serve. All right.
I get everybody in when I come.
2.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, everybody gets 2.
Okay, at this time, thank you, Mr. O'Quinn. If you have some further questions, we can talk afterwards. At this time, I appreciate everyone who's coming. I've asked that they start the demolition today to mark the progress of moving forward. Thank you.